But if you're not happy in the U.S., if you're complaining all the time, very simply, you can leave. You can leave right now.
Okay, white America, I come with a message from black America. We are leaving. We are leaving. You have won. We are leaving. All of us are leaving. All the colored people, all the brown people, we are leaving. You're going to get what you want. We are leaving. We are leaving, okay? You're going to get what you want. You say you all want us out of America. We are leaving. We are leaving. We promise. We have no problems leaving. As long as you leave Africa and you leave the Caribbean, don't take nothing. Just go. Just go. That's it. That's the arrangement. You leave Africa and you leave the Caribbean and don't come back. Don't take nothing. Walk out with your two hands empty. That's the arrangement. We will leave America, sure, to the blue eyes, to those that say they want to make America great again, to those that say black people need to leave, Spanish people need to go. We will leave as long as you leave Africa and the Caribbean.
Donald Trump said the quiet part out loud that if you're not comfortable living in United States of America, you can as well leave and let the country be. This message was directly to the black American family. Why would a president make such kind of a remark? Why would you tell your own citizens that if you're tired with my policies, if you're tired with my leadership, kindly look for another country for you to locate? But Americans, specifically the black Americans, came out steadfast and strong and replied to him and say, we are leaving your country. We cannot live in a country where you continue to be harsh to black Americans. You continue to uplift only the white people and white folks in America. Black Americans also are people who are tired with Trump's leadership. That's why majority of black Americans are leaving America. Why? First time viewers and subscribers, those who don't know my identity and my name, I'm Marvin, and please and kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below and follow my page. You can share this video to your family and friends so that they can back up the black American family and support the black family worldwide. Most of all, like this video up, family. On today's episode, we'll focus in black American family. Majority are tired of Trump's policies, his ruling, because he only looks up to the white family. Also, my next door neighbor is a black American. He shifted to Kenya. He has his own family. He's a married man, a happy man with 4 kids. I asked him, why did you relocate to Kenya? Because he says he loves Kenya and also life in America has become so hard. Why is this happening in America? Remember, when black Americans leave America, white supremacists will be dead because they always see black Americans as a competition. And without a competition, you are dead. Why would you take your own neighbor, your own workmate as a competitor? Why would you not lower your standards and be at the same level? Let's watch the following videos, family.
So I've been talking about how my husband and I are looking to live abroad. As a black woman and a new mom, I do not feel safe here in America, and I don't want to raise my children here. So here are a few countries I've been looking into: Mexico, Costa Rica, Panama, Ecuador, and Portugal. There's also a large black expat community in Ghana happening as well. If you are also black here in America and looking to leave, check out these places. Check out some of the black Facebook groups that are specifically aimed to help each other leave the United States.
Probably for like a year and a half now that I have no desire to stay in America. Getting what you can get out of this country until you are able to dip type of situation. For those that stay in another country, what are your suggestions? What do you recommend? Me and my husband really consider, like, first would be Sydney, Australia. Second would be South Africa. Third would either be like a Caribbean island or like Central America, and probably UK. One of those. Because within the next 5 years, 4 years or so, we are really considering that at this point.
This video is specifically for black women, especially black women who are thinking about moving abroad. Y'all, we are not lying. Black women are not lying when we say that moving abroad and getting out of the United States has been incredibly imperative for our healing and our joy and our safety and our overall wellness and just a better quality of life, y'all. I cannot stress this enough, that moving out of the United States, booking a one-way ticket out of the United States literally healed my chronic stress, anxiety, and depression. Moving abroad has helped me heal in ways I did not know was possible for me. Being able to actually easily afford my needs, my housing, my food, my doctor's appointments, and just having money to be able to do things that bring me joy. Having the time and space to finally slow down and just remember who I am as a Black woman. Remember my creativity. Remember my light. Remember the things that used to make me happy, and finally having the space to do those things. As a Black woman living abroad, I've been finally able to heal and finally able to actually build community. I didn't think that I would actually have community where I was in the United States, honestly speaking. And a lot of Black women are actually realizing that everything that they told us about how the US is just the best place ever is a lie. It's a lie. Abroad, Black women are finally able to prioritize their peace, their joy, their healing, and their safety, and we're doing it in ways that are really just great for us. So if you are a Black woman who has been thinking about moving abroad, I don't know if that's Mexico or Thailand or Bali or South Africa or Indonesia or Ghana or Portugal, wherever you have been thinking of moving abroad, please let this be your sign to do it. Black women are moving abroad with their families. Black women are moving abroad solo. Me and my bestie, we moved abroad together. Black women are making their ways out of the United States, and you can too. You can, and you deserve it. But trust me when I say Black women are living way better quality of lives now that they live abroad and they've moved out of the US, and that lifestyle is possible for you. If you're concerned about money, get creative. Black women are on trusted house sitters and doing house sits in exchange for free housing. Black women are teaching in the countries that they're expating to, so that way they can make income. Black women are getting remote jobs and being private contractors, so that way they can actually work online and live anywhere. And for myself and my best friend, we actually are our own bosses, and we have our own online businesses, and that's how we're able to make money to sustain ourselves while abroad. So if you're a Black woman who wants to move abroad, there are many avenues for you to take, and trust me when I say moving abroad is going to be very beneficial to your peace, to your safety, to your healing, and to your joy. Like, you deserve to live a life that is positive and that is healing and that gives you the time and space to put yourself first, even if that means you have to start over and receive that life in a different country.
With this mass exodus of Black American family, do you support this move? Majority of what Trump is doing in America is always against the Black American family. The policies he portrays in America, it is to attack the Black people so that they can be fed up and leave the country to them, the white folks. Trump needs to look up to the welfare of both the Black American family and the white American family. He should not lay on one side. He should balance between the two sides, because there are two groups who are rival with each other. The Black American family also, you can see from the videos, I have a lady saying she is happy wherever she's staying and wherever she relocated to. Other options of Black Americans of countries you can relocate to are Mexico, here in Kenya also. Look at African countries. They will welcome you out. My next door neighbor is a Black American family and we live in harmony and peace. He relocated to Kenya this year, January. And up to now, he is here and he is not relocating to America anytime soon, because white supremacists are always against them and life in America is hard. Black family who are in America, let me know your response. Is life in America as hard as my neighbor is saying? What's the situation of Black people in America? Is Trump policies always against Black Americans? Does Trump look up to the welfare of Black American families? Is this a way to lead a country? When people are leaving your country, shows you how you always look down on them. As a reminder, I always tell my followers that Trump is here to enrich himself. He doesn't care about the welfare of American citizens? Let me know your response on the comment section below, and let's engage, and I will humbly respond to you good people. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. See you on the next episode, family.